Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I am from Assam, and this is our collection. So we have all these anti-fit garments. These are in pure silk cord sets. These are all in pure silks, and we have done all the hand embroidery on the shirts, and if you can see the bottoms, we have done all the scallops at the bottom, and you can see the detailing under the collar. All the buttons are also detailed. That's the back of the dress, and we have many colors in this. These are all anti-fit shirts, and these are very new for the festive season, and these all come with the printed slips. So these we are providing these printed slips underneath, and you can see the detailing on the plackets and the collars. These are all festive shirts. You can pair them with your denim pants as well, and we have more colors in this as well. And we also have these kurtis, and this has got this gota work in silver. So we have two shades in this, a baby pink, a powder pink and grey, and these are all with slips. You can pair them with your festive wear pants or denims. And these are also our cord sets, and they also have multiple colors, at least 7 colors we have in this set. These are all again anti-fit garments, all free size, and we have done all the embroidery work, golden embroidery work on one side of the shirt and on the bottoms of the pant. These are from Assam, and these are in Eri silk. This is Ahimsa silk. So that's the body of the sari, and here you see that's the palla of the sari, and the palla is woven, all hand woven in the Eri silk and ghicha. So Eri silk is also known as the Ahimsa silk. It's the non-violent silk where we don't kill the silkworm, and we have many colors available in Eri silk. And this sari is also in Eri silk, and it is naturally dyed using turmeric. This is all turmeric dyed, and if you see the border of the sari, we have done it in Eri silk and ghicha silk. In 2 colors we have done the border. This is the palla of the sari in blue, and this is also naturally dyed in indigo. Like we have these small floral buttas, traditional buttas all over the sari. This sari is in mulberry silk, and if you see, we have done the buttas in zari and Eri silk, and this is the palla of the sari, and these are our traditional motifs called king khab design. We have also many colors in mulberry silk also. This sari is in tussar silk, and we call this the Kaziranga sari. So if you see, we have done the motifs using the Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the rhino motifs, and if you see the palla, it's all done in zari. You will see all the animal motifs here. We have peacocks, deer, and the Assamese headgear that we wear, we call it the japi. So we have woven the entire Kaziranga on this sari, and this is all done in golden zari on tussar silk. This sari is also in Eri silk, the Ahimsa silk, and this is in light pastel green we have done, and all our buttas in Eri silk, in white and maroon we have done it. So we have done a very subtle border which is in tussar silk, and that's the palla of the sari. This is a traditional king khab motif we call it, and all the entire designing the motif is done in Eri silk. And we have more colors available in this. We have one more color in this. So this is one more color. It's the same design, same pattern. So we have these 2 colors available in this design. So this is our latest design for the upcoming festive season. This is also done in Eri silk, and we have done a multicolored palla in this sari. Border is also done in multicolored design, and you will have these multicolored small booties all over the sari. So these, if you want to see our collection, we have our website, it's the mulberrytree.in, and we also have our social media pages. Instagram page is the Mulberry Tree Official, and if you wish to place an order, you can also DM us, and also you can check our website for more collection. Thank you.